Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get MyPay on Chime. First, you'll have to get your Chime account details, account and routing number. So you'll have to open your Chime app, go to settings, and scroll to find the account information section, which displays your account and routing numbers. Now log into MyPay, visit the MyPay website, and use your credentials to log in. Ensure you have your DoD ID and password. Now set up direct deposit. In the MyPay portal, click on the direct deposit option, select edit or add direct deposit information, then input your Chime routing number and account number. Routing number will be found in Chime app, and also the account number will be found under the account details. Then confirm whether the account is checking and choose this option for Chime. Save and submit. You'll have now to review your input carefully to ensure accuracy, then submit your changes and confirm any prompts. After that, you'll have to wait for the confirmation. It may take 1 to 2 pay cycles for the changes to fully take effect. Monitor your Chime account to ensure the funds are deposited correctly. And if you find any problem, you can simply contact the support if needed. You can contact Chime support or MyPay support. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.